Okay, well here we are getting ready to unbox the Mustang vintage wide touring seat with backrest and see how it fits. So let's get started. I've already undone the tape, but that's it. Actually, I really want to be smart about this, so I think what I'll do is take the original seat, the stock seat, off the bike so I can take this straight from the box onto the bike. Good enough. Okay. There we go. That is the thing. I'm going to have to do some cutting. Okay, fortunately I have scissors right here. Alright, we just have to cut the bag. Get the backrest out first of all. Set this aside. Oh, the backrest is heavy. Well, it's pretty, I'll say that. Good looking seat. Well, I should probably take these slivers out of here. Oh. Okay. I'm going to undo this bolt in order to this off. Up in the air. This takes us someplace. Okay, voila, there it is. Oh, it's considerably higher. I wouldn't want to be riding any higher than this. I can see how if I were able to sit back, my bars were far back enough, this would be really nice. Alright. I could get used to this though. Yeah. Presumably it's higher up because there's more cushion. Alright. We're probably going to have to Okay, let's get this figured out now. It's a good looking seat, I'll give it that. Oh, I stopped mid-sentence earlier. I said I was going to have to ... and what I'm going to have to do is change the way that I mount the bike, because I'm going to have this backrest on, probably. At least when I go for long rides. And it's going to change things a bit. Okay, this is how this adjustment works. We got this set thumb screw here that allows the seat to go, or the backrest to go further or less back. I have no idea what that's going to be like, so I'll just set it in the middle for right now and see how that goes. This doesn't seem to secure into the seat by any way other than just sliding it down in there. Actually, I can still get my foot over that. Right now the backrest is irrelevant because I can't sit far enough back on the bike for it to matter. Let's see if I can get this. I have this feeling that I'm not doing something right. I'm going to put the backrest all the way forward. Well, this has the capacity for being pretty nice if I'm able to sit back on my bike far enough, which right now, unless I were a gorilla, I could not. And that's alright. These bars are the next thing to get handled, so I'm hopeful that this is going to be a positive change. Let's get a little close up of that seat while I'm at it. Okay, well there you have it for right now, and we'll see how this progresses. For right now, I'm hopeful, but I won't know until I take it for a ride, which I think I'll do now.